In today's hearing, Samantha Vaughn faced a citation for her dog at large, with no biting incident reported. The court offered a resolution, amending the charge to a civil infraction. Let's see how accountability and compliance can make all the difference in a courtroom proceeding.
From September 2nd, 2025, that charges that on or about that date at or near 2029 Garden Court, you had a dog at large not under your control. The remarks here state that there's an ongoing issue of having a dog at large. It says escaping the property. And the caller requested a citation.
Your Honor, given the fact that there was no biting event that occurred, I would be willing to make the following offer: amend it to a civil infraction for an unlicensed dog. In exchange for that, the township would dismiss the dog at large misdemeanor.
Ma'am, is that what you like to do?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Today's hearing highlights the difference between criminal charges and civil infractions. Samantha Vaughn faced a citation for having her dog at large, a common issue many pet owners encounter. Importantly, there was no biting incident, which allowed the case to be amended from a potential misdemeanor to a civil infraction for an unlicensed dog. She accepted responsibility, demonstrating accountability, and the court imposed fines and costs totaling $120. This example illustrates how prompt cooperation and acknowledgement of responsibility can simplify legal proceedings and reduce penalties.
Responsibility for the civil infraction of having an unlicensed dog on September 2nd, 2025.
Yes.
Right. Thank you. So you are to be sentenced to pay the fines and costs in this matter. I do have that, I believe, as $120. How much time do you need to pay that?
Just a day.
Okay. So what I am going to ask you to do then is just, yes, wait until tomorrow. If you're intending to pay online, then that'll give us a chance to update it in our system. All right? Otherwise, you can also come into the court to make a payment.
Okay. Does that mean it'll be a link or something will be sent to my phone?
I don't believe so, no, but if you go to the 14B District Court website, then there are links on the website where you can pay your ticket.
Okay.
All right. But yeah, if you're going to do it that way, like I said, just wait until tomorrow so it has time to update.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Then you are free to sign out of Zoom.
Thank you.
In this case, we see how the pretrial process works in practical terms. The court set a clear schedule, explained payment options, and confirmed the defendant's understanding of her obligations. Ms. Vaughn had the choice to pay online or in person, showing how technology is integrated into modern court systems. The transparency and guidance provided by the judge ensure that defendants understand both their responsibilities and the steps required to resolve the matter, making the process less intimidating and more manageable.
Now calling case numbers 25W000559A and B These are the Township of Ypsilanti versus Makti God Allah. Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
First Assistant Public Defender Queen Anderson with on behalf of Mr. God Allah. Your Honor, I've had a chance to speak with my client and the prosecutor. It's my understanding that the civil ticket is already in default with a balance of $185. My client would ask for 30 days to pay that, and it's my understanding that the misdemeanor will be dismissed.
That's correct, Your Honor. Upon payment of that civil infraction, we would dismiss the misdemeanor.
Can you have that paid by November 18th?
Yes.
All right. This matter is being adjourned to November 18th, 2025. That will be at 9 in the morning in person in front of me at the 14B District Court. The A ticket is to be dismissed upon payment in full on the B ticket. Again, that balance is $185. If that happens before that November 18th.
Another case involved a civil ticket in default, where the defendant requested additional time to pay the balance. The court confirmed that upon full payment, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. This demonstrates how compliance and timely resolution of obligations can prevent escalation to more serious charges. Both hearings underscore the importance of understanding legal responsibilities, the benefits of communication with the court, and the practical steps individuals can take to resolve issues efficiently and responsibly.